आमदार जी तारोलकारा आड दाखल केल्ल्या जमीन हतासपाच्या केशीची सुनावणी 27 मार्चा मेरेन तहकूब केल्या। जमीन हडप प्रकरणाचो तपास करपी SIT 27 मार्चाक आपलो अहवाल आयोगाक सादर करतली।
One-man commission headed by the retired justice, which is hearing the land grab cases in Goa, has today adjourned to Monday, the 27th of March. The further hearing on the complaint filed against Mandra MLA Jeet Arolkar, who has grabbed land at in Mandre, in Dargal, at measuring 1,48,000, of which Mr. Rahul Kalap is one of the co-owners. The SIT was supposed to file its affidavit on the investigation. So the SIT has sought time. So the justice has adjourned the matter to Monday, Monday the 27th, when we will have a right to cross-examine the IO who is doing this investigation against Jeet Arolkar. Our whole case before the commission is that the police and the SIT are together dragging their feet in this investigation just to shield Jeet Arolkar, who happens to be a MLA supporting the ruling government. Jeet Arolkar is also the chairman of the Goa Housing Board, and it has been our case. We have already filed a detailed affidavit to that effect, that he has misused his political power and got officers to support him in all this illegality. In fact, the officers, revenue officers in Dargal, are fully responsible for this land grab because they have acted as facilitators to help Jeet Arolkar grab all this land.